Manshi, and on behalf of the Fundamental Desk, we will look at the day today in the markets. The US markets ended higher as investors react to comments from Chinese president to lower import tariffs on products including cars and take other steps to further open up Chinese economy. Dow Jones ended higher by 1.79% and Nasdaq closed higher by 2.07%. Tracking these cues, Asian markets were trading mixed while SGX Nifty was trading flattish. Thus, Indian indices are expected to open flat. The Asian Development Bank expects India growth to pick up to 7.3% in FY18 and 7.6% in FY19. On the corporate front, Reliance Industries announced that it has decided to relinquish lease on D6 and D19 discoveries. Infosys has partnered with Calix, a communication service provider, to develop and deliver new software module services. Mahanagar Gas promoter BG Asia Pacific Holding Pte. Is looking to sell up to 12.5% stake in the company. The stock to be discussed today is APL Apollo Tubes. We have a price target of Rs 2296 on this stock and believe the company will continue to deliver on strong volumes growth of over 20% on a long-term basis. Recently, we did a distributor meeting to understand the competitive positioning of APL Apollo Tubes against peers in the industry and are convinced and confident of its growth trajectory. As per the dealer, APL Apollo Tubes has more concentration in square and rectangular shaped pipes and is much ahead of competition in this segment in terms of sizes and availability. These pipes are mostly used in fabrication and the earlier round pipes were drawn into square shape, but that has now done away with, and because of APL Apollo providing these customized shapes, the drawers have gone out of business. Besides, the direct forming technology, a globally accepted one, was introduced by APL Apollo Tubes for the first time in India, and this technology is picking up well. It is this technology which has given APL Apollo the required advantage over peers in terms of customization of sizes. It has been able to deliver the 150 into 130 inch dia pipe in this segment driven by the direct forming technology, thus making it the only player in India to provide customized sizes to its customers. Coming to the unorganized market, prices are still cheaper over here by about 1,500 to 2,000 per ton than the organized player, where the pricing remains in the range of 44,000 to 45,000 per ton. But with GST getting streamlined gradually, we believe the shift from unorganized to organized shall benefit APL Apollo Tubes, which is the leader in the ERW pipe segment in India. Thus, we remain positive on this stock over the long term and maintain our buy rating. Coming to the technical front, Nifty opened with an upward gap and remained lackluster within narrow trading range throughout the day and closed with a gain of 23 points at 10,402. The chart pattern suggests that if Nifty crosses and sustains about 10,420 level, it would witness buying which would lead the index towards 10,450, 10,480 levels. Important support for the day is around 10,380. However, if index sustains below 10,380, it may witness profit booking, which would take the index towards 10,350 to 10,330 levels. Stocks on the positive side, NMDC, Fortis, Syngene, DLF, Tata Steel and Godrej Industries. On the negative side, Mahanagar Gas, Hero MotoCorp and India Bulls Housing Finance. On the USD INR front, the USD INR closed at 65.1 with a loss of 0.07%. The chart pattern suggests that if it crosses and sustains above 65.15 level, it would witness buying, which would lead USD INR towards 65.3 to 65.4 levels. However, if USD INR breaks below 65 level, it would witness selling, which would take USD INR towards 64.9, 64.80 levels. Coming to the derivative side, Nifty futures closed at 10,424 and increased by 0.31% with 0.89% increase in open interest, indicating long unwinding. Nifty futures closed with 19 points premium compared to previous day premium of 15 points. FIIs were net buyers in derivative segment to the tune of 2916 crores. India VIX index was trading at 14.51. Nifty ATM call option IV is currently at 12.32, whereas Nifty ATM put option IV is quoting at 15.59. The index option put call ratio is at 1. So that's it from the research desk. Have a good day.